Today we are going to discuss about a SwiftUI toggle feature, and for example, in real life applications, you will need this because, for example, if you want to book a hotel or something, there can be several options and toggles switches. For example, should contain AC or non-AC, should contain lights or fans, something like this. So let's get started and not waste time. So let's okay, so it's on, and here let's add the main thing directly. So toggle, and okay, so let's see. Mm, Not like this, is on, and let's toggle label and is on. Okay, so if we click here, the we are passing the state variable here, and this will work like this. So let's add some other variables called state private var, is light on, and then again another thing is state private var is dark on, and another uh, is AC on. Okay, so let's see here. uh, okay, so let's see here, for example, uh, want to book want to book a room, and then here we are adding some other toggles. Light is on, and then another toggle dark, and another toggle is AC. Okay, so here if we click here, individual switches will update, and here also we want to add something. For example, want to book a room. If we want to book a room, then these things will show, otherwise these things will not show. So let's for example, let's add here another thing, text toggle UI example, and tab, and here is it should be title, and then here it should be uh, dot font weight bold. All right, and again let's add an spacer here so that the UI looks compact now. So if you want to book a room, okay, then okay, so uh, book a room, book a room, so book room. Okay, and here dollar book room. Okay, now let's add something here like this, mm, room, and so yes, if you update something, this will update like this toggle. So I want to make something like this here, dot style dot toggle style dot switch. Okay, so if this toggle style, sorry, toggle style dot switch. Okay, and something other things, let's see if is object is available. So button, okay, yes, so buttons are also available. Okay, and other styles can be mm, automatic. Automatic will make this as well. So let's add something like, if book room, then text room booked successfully, and then add something here. So if I toggle this, room booked successfully, so and these options will show, and the light is not needed if dark mode is okay. So after the dark, let's add this feature. So let's add like this, let's add like this. So if we want to book a room, then other options will come, and light should not come if there is no dark mode. So let's add, so if dark is dark on, then light should come. Okay, so let's see, want to book a room and room book successfully, and if dark is on, then we can decide if light is needed or not. So I hope you understood how the SwiftUI toggle works, and this is a very basic example of how SwiftUI toggle works. So let's run the project and see what happens. Okay, come on. So let's see. Okay, so in the simulator, I set dark mode, so it is showing like this. I like dark mode. So want to book a room? Yes, and then it shows like this. So let's move this here. And if dark is on, then light will show. So what about if we make this default true? Because currently if we run this project again, and okay, so by default this is false, so let's make it by default true and let's see what happens, right? So let's see. All right. Yes, now this is by default. So if you, for example, if you already booked a room and the data should show here from database, and this should be already switched on. So this should work like this, and that is something net networking example, and I will discuss that later in another video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.